Esther play a very important role in Christian life. Let's have a look at some of them. Symbol of resurrection. In Christianity, the egg symbolizes the empty tomb of Jesus, the hard shell represents the sealed tomb, and the cracking of the eggs symbolizes Jesus emerging from death. Long before Christianity, many cultures, including the Egyptian and Persian, viewed eggs as a symbol of fertility and rebirth during spring festivals. Let me reflect one fact. Eggs were forbidden during Lent. Lent meant 40 days of fasting before Easter, because chicken continues to lay eggs during this time. People were born and ate them as a celebratory treat on Easter Sunday. Dear fellow parents, friends, and teachers, we wish you the very best, Esther. God bless you.